Kimmy.
Yay!
First time having anyone over at my apartment since last year.
Like a year.
But yeah, so we're gonna go to Korean barbecue for the first time. Very excited. We're gonna go to K-Town to this new place that we haven't tried before, but yeah.
We're gonna eat and celebrate Remy and do all the things.
Yes.
So.
Oh yeah, I haven't even filmed today, so I haven't even said like today is my official last day at my agency, and it is like 6 o'clock now, and yeah, I'm officially clocked out and I'm a free bird, so
yay!
super excited to just like drink a bunch of soju and eat a bunch of Korean barbecue, so yeah.
We're celebrating tonight.
Yes. Girls' night. Shells! What's up, guys? Hi.
So the trick is like to hold it at the base while you and then
Wait, what is the thing? So
you flick it.
Flicks it off.
oh.
That's the drink. So
Yeah, but we're all drinking.
It doesn't really matter.
It's just for the fun.
A lot of pressure.
Oh,
that was a really good one. See? Like
I just imagine Kimmy's just like flying.
right in my beard.
Oh, thank you.
We're going to boba, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just making sure.
Is this a question? We are going. Still waiting.
It's boba time.
Yay!
Good night.
See you soon.
Received the cutest bouquet of flowers from my team. I love my team so much. That's why it's so hard, because I just love my team so much. Like, we've just become a family over the years, and yeah. I'm more sad to leave advertising because I'm gonna miss the people more than I am the actual job. This was such a good way to end April 30th, 2021. You know, the last day being in advertising and getting to spend such a good dinner with Jaina, Kimmy, and Chelsea, coming home to flowers from my creative friends. My heart is so full, and I just feel so ready for this next chapter and everything that it's about to bring. I know it's going to be challenging at some points, but I just am so ready to take it on. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready. I'm so freaking full from Korean barbecue, boba, and yeah, I just want to take off my makeup, put on a face mask, and go to sleep, because tomorrow I get a full day with my cousin Paigey, and we are just going to do I don't know what, but I'm excited. So yeah, good night everyone. Today I am having a photo shoot with my cousin Paigey. We're going to get coffee first because both of us are extremely tired. I am running so late, and yeah, she's gonna kill me, but it's okay. She's my cousin, so she has to love me, so yes. All right. See my cousin Paigey. It is May 1st, first day of official freedom, kind of. And yeah, see ya. Look who decided to show up this full. Late, so late. shoot day, kind of. And catch up.
Ready.
We're ready with the camera and everything. Cousin hangout part 2. Yeah, Paige's figuring out her camera right now. First day of freedom from my job, and I don't know, it's so crazy. I feel a lot lighter. I get to dictate what I do with my own time, and part of that is hanging out with this weirdo. Oh my god, yes. I'm so excited! New phone! I'm just ready to turn this bad boy on and see the difference between the camera qualities. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm about to push erase device. Erase? Ah! How do I? I'm nervous. Is it supposed to look like this? I guess we'll find out soon enough. Oh my god. Hola. Hey guys, so it is Monday, May 3rd. It's my first Monday of not having work. I feel like it just hasn't hit me yet that I don't have to check in. Like it feels like maybe, oh, it's my phone. It feels like maybe it's just like a slow day at work. I'm about to get my hair cut. This is long overdue. My ends are so dead. And then after that, I'm just going to, I think, get some coffee and just work on my blog and start planning for the month. I kind of already have like stuff that I've planned for May, but I don't know. I just need to reset. So I'll just take you along with me. So this is kind of the before, and I'll show you guys afterwards. New haircut, nice and light, which I'm very happy about. I'm with my mom now because we are gonna go eat at Mitsuwa because we are starving. It's already 2:30. My hair took 3 hours. So it's May 4th, Tuesday. It's my first official day really like hunkering down and working. Let's see, do I feel different? Yes and no. Like it's kind of a weird feeling where, I don't know, I don't need to open up my agency laptop. And I feel like this week is still, like yes, it's my first official week working for myself, but it's also I think still a transition period where tomorrow, for instance, is gonna be a day where I return my laptop, go to Target, pick up some things, then use Thursday to just purge my entire apartment. I just want to make room for the new, and I'm gonna stop here and stop talking and actually start planning. So yeah. I just turned in my laptop at my old agency, and it's just like the weirdest feeling for my agency life to just be over and to not even really be able to do the rounds and walkthroughs. And yeah, it's just such a weird time to quit, but I'm getting kind of emotional just because I spent like so many years at this agency and lots of memories, but yes, I am so ready for the next chapter and everything that's to come. And yep, on to the next. You guys, the day that I have been waiting for is finally here. I have been telling everyone that like the first thing I want to do is just purge and deep clean my space. I just want to clean my apartment and just get rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't need, because I just feel like new chapter, I want to start fresh, and I really just honestly want to re-energize my space because I've been living here since my first year in advertising, and yeah, I just feel like this is just filled with a bunch of stuff that, you know, I may or may not use, and I just want to start over again, start fresh. And so I am gonna go through every space in my apartment and just deep clean. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna get started because I am super stoked. Today is the day. Oh yeah, I'm just emptying out everything. I didn't even know I had this, so it's going. Still a mess, but oh, learned that from the home edit yesterday. Still working, obviously, but this is so much better than before. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Randall, look happy. soba and hand rolls. This is not about you.
Cheers.
This is not. Holy crap.
I'm gonna send that to Auntie Gail. So I finally went. Cheers. I'm so happy.
Oh my gosh.
Today is Tuesday, May 11th. We're hanging out on a random Tuesday.
A random Tuesday because we're getting Korean barbecue later, and yeah, because it's a Tuesday and it's the middle of the day and we're done with work, we're going to
drink.
And this is why we're friends. So,
this is why we're friends.
And now Kimmy is gonna show me her drink fridge. So
let's go.
Ta-da! Holy shit. Wow.
So we have our energy drinks at the top, some random little things, Trulies, Cokes, little mini water bottles,
oh my
Guinness,
gosh, Guinness,
and then Stella, and then more mini water bottles. I'm gonna do pineapple for you.
Thank you.
Drink o'clock.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose myself.
There it is. There it is. Crack it open, sir.
Oh, already?
You gotta do. Yeah.
This girl.
Just wanna lose my breath.
1, 2, 3.
I just wanna lose.
Hey, where's the hole? Like somewhere there. Yeah.
Now we're off to Korean barbecue.
We gonna drink more too.
Because of her. This one right here.
You love me, it's okay.
I love her so much.
Congratulations, boss.
Thank you.
For faster, more efficient work.
Why do you always have to sound like that? Why can't you just talk normally? Wow, I am looking tired and haggard. Well, today is Friday, May 15th. No, oh my god. Today's Friday, May 14th. I got up at like 6:30 today and I went to sleep at 12:30 because I've been doing this thing where I'll get in bed on time, but then, I don't know, I feel like my inspiration to do YouTube kind of comes at night. And I just had all these thoughts and ideas and I just like had to write them down. And then today I'm going hiking with my friend Emily. She's one of my really close friends and I feel like whenever we get together we just talk about everything and anything. So I just wanted to hop on here and just, yeah, show my face. I feel like I haven't been filming a lot this week. I basically did nothing on Wednesday because I could not. But yeah, but that was also the day that my dad gave me my iPad, which I'm really happy about. It's just amazing to me like how supportive my parents are, that they're willing to go out of their way like that. Like now they're investing money in me and my dreams, and it's just, it means a lot. It really does. And it just gives me more motivation and encouragement to just start. I'm gonna put on some shoes and wait for my friend Em. Yeah.
you though.
No.
In your opinion, Todd, who lost?
Yeah, someone needs to take that.
That is.
Who had the worst score?
Me.
Yes. All right. Your pick. Open wide, honey.
Funny because I opened my mouth and I was like, you can't even tell.
Right now I'm just trying to figure out what class to take because I literally just don't know how to do anything. Let's see, I guess I can do, oop, nope, not intermediate, beginner. Beginner. Hey guys, so it is Friday, the day of our Vegas trip. We are driving over from LA to Vegas. Right now I'm just waiting outside of Kimmy's parents' house. Kimmy's one of my best friends from high school, and yeah, I'm just waiting for her boyfriend Sean, and then my friend Rachel to show up because we're all driving together. And yeah, I'm really excited. It's pretty cool that we can just drive from Vegas straight from LA, but it's also dangerous because that means that we can go whenever.
I didn't know most of the questions, but like,
I was like, hey, Rachel.
narrow it down. Okay. Like, you can be like, oh, it's not this one, it's not this one.
Love y'all, love y'all.
Happy birthday to Kathleen. How do you feel?